So, new old bike day. I'm off to pick up a project bike. I've been after a project bike for quite a while. I've had a few bikes in mind that I've been looking out for. Doing the usual Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Gumtree, Copart, you know, scouring the internet most nights looking for a project bike. And I finally found one. I've agreed a price online and I'm on my way to pick it up. So if you have any idea what it might be, just give you a few clues. It's from 2001, which is roughly the era of bike I wanted to get. That's when I passed my test. It's red, although that's not really a good clue. If I said it was green, it would be more of a clue. It's carburetted. It's 900cc. It's a sports bike. Have you got it yet? Let's get there, get it in the van, and I'll show you what I bought. Right, deal done. On my way home. Really excited when I got there and saw it. It was just what I'm after. It just run down, but not like it's structurally sound. And the engine apparently does run, but it cuts out. Although I've not heard it run because the battery's flat. So exactly what I was after. You know, a project where even a novice like myself can hopefully get it back to something good. Right, I'm just gonna get home now. It's Friday afternoon, and I've got to get across the top of Manchester. Great. Okay, so it's a different day. I've had the bike on charge overnight. I've checked the fluids, so the first thing I'm going to do is just see if A, it turns on, and B, it starts. Bloody alarm. So that's not a good start, is it? I suspect, as you just heard the alarm, I suspect the immobiliser's got something to do with it, because I'm not even getting any light. And I know the battery's now got life in it. Okay, so I guess change of plan. First thing I'm going to do is just give it a good wash. Right, it's all washed. It's looking a bit better. As expected, various bits of paint came unchipped. In fact, let's have a walk around the bike. Let's have a look at what sort of state it's in, and we'll have a look at the sorts of things, certainly on the face of it, that I'm going to have to replace. So I haven't gone to town with the washing because I'm going to strip this bike right back and get either things reconditioned, repainted, or replaced. But at least it'll be a bit nicer to work on now. So, as you can see, paint chipped off the alloys. That was to be expected. I could see it was flaky before, so power washer did a number on that. They're going to need doing braided lines. They look alright actually, braided brake lines. Headlights don't look too bad. There's no moisture in there, so hopefully I'll be able to just sort of buff them up. No indicator there. A different screw on every fairing. Aftermarket levers, they'll be going. New grips needed. It's not too good, is it? Professional job done there. Some aftermarket mirrors. These, I don't even think these are meant for this bike. So that'll be going. The tank itself's actually not in that bad condition. You know, there's no dents, there's just a few marks in the paint. So hopefully I'll be able to use this tank. Probably take this tank protector off, it's looking a bit tired. Someone's had to go painting these at some point. Stripping all that right back. I'll be changing the exhaust and the carrier. Again, probably go original for that. All-in shock in there. Looking fairly tired, sort of pushing down weight on the back of the bike. There's not much spring in there, so I'll probably end up replacing that. Again, more flaking on the back wheel. Yeah. There's a bit of wear up here actually. I think they must have had luggage on or something. Funny how that's worn. This grab handle's alright, but this one has been scraped, so I'll need a new one of them. New rear light. Need to find an original chain guard. Again, more crap paint job done there. God knows what's going on here. And I'm not sure if that water's looking a bit dark, whether that's antifreeze in there. Hopefully that's not oil in there, but start stripping down, I'll get a better idea. The wiring is a real show. These have got these aftermarket mirrors have got indicators in them, and the wiring, as you can see, is far from ideal. So I'll be stripping all that back and reworking that. Clocks look alright, a bit dirty, but I think they'll be alright. Some kind of bodge job there with a reservoir bracket. I'll need a new one of them. This doesn't look too bad, this, I'm sure this will buff up. This top yoke. Bits of fairings missing there, you can see the fairing infill's missing. They're missing from both sides. And again, a real mixed match of fairing screws, so I'll be getting a full fairing screw kit for this. So there you have it. It's exactly what I was after in terms of a white helmet that just needed some loving. It's certainly in need of some loving. Engine, so that's going to be the next job. Try and get it running, find out what the engine's like. The previous owner, or at least the garage where I got it from, he took it in as a trade-in and just wanted to move it on pretty quick. He said that the previous owner said it was running fine, but it just cut out. But in terms of engine noise and stuff like that, it was fine. So I want to see that for myself. I probably will strip this down and take the engine out. Probably replace a few gaskets, things like that. Certainly, if there's any signs of oil leaks and stuff, just get that swapped out. But yeah, next job in the next video, probably remove the alarm, the data tool, which is also the immobilizer, and I suspect that's why I'm not getting any power, any ignition, and then try and get it started. And if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe. Right, that's it for this one. See you in the next one.